In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off and remove your location on Snapchat. So if you don't want other people to see where you are on SnapMap, then this tutorial will show you exactly how to hide your location. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone and tap on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, tap the settings icon in the top right corner.
Next, scroll down until you find See My Location and tap on it. You'll now see the location settings for SnapMap.
To completely hide your location from other users, make sure Ghost Mode is turned on. If Ghost Mode is currently disabled, tap the toggle to enable it. Snapchat may ask how long you'd like Ghost Mode to remain active. Select Until Turned Off if you want your location to stay hidden until you manually disable Ghost Mode in the future. Once Ghost Mode is enabled, your location will no longer be visible to friends or other Snapchat users on SnapMap. And that's how you can turn off location sharing on Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Snapchat tutorials and tips.